Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of designing investment tracking app for CRED. So this is going to be the fifth episode where we will be doing documentation for the entire Empathize stage. So those of you who are coming to or seeing this video first time, so we are doing a live design session and we have completed the entire Empathize phase, and everything will be, you can find it in the playlist. I will put it in the description. And today, what we are going to do is we will document or structure the entire uh, uh, things that we have captured from ChatGPT from different techniques or different different pieces from the entire empathize stage. So I'll just quickly share my screen and we will start the session. So I've created one put for FigJam file. I have just created just named the file name and created two pages as define and also one empathize. So what we will do here is we will document all the important things that we have done from the beginning of this conversation, starting from different personas, different interviews, everything we will document it. And why we are doing it right now, documentation in FigJam is, let's say we cannot turn back every time to ChatGPT to read some important things about the entire research process, right? We have to go to some documental things where we can find all this information in a glance. And also for collaboration, if your teammates are there, it would be easier for your teammates to, again, you can share the files, they can collaborate. But yeah, so next is one person is there. If you are a person, please send hi, or sorry, tell hi in the chat. Okay, he went back, maybe. I don't know. Okay, so next thing is so what we will do here is we will start looking at the things what are important for documentation. Now coming to the first part, this is the checklist or to-do list we had for empathize page: user interviews, surveys, and stakeholder assumptions, then competitive analysis and all those things. Extended empathize phase, business context to do list, understand, creates vision, brand positioning. Okay, so this is the business context, what we were trying to do, to-do list, right? The goal. Now I want this to-do list as well in the empathize stage. Users to-do list, checklist, and or should we start with the direct thing? I want to do all the to-do list here. User side, business side. Okay. Prepare user interview framework. 10 to 5 things. User personas for interviewing. Then we have the. Let's start from the user personas that we interviewed. Okay. Now I will just copy the entire thing, paste it here. Okay, let's increase the size of to 300 maybe, so that we have a bigger. Okay, now coming to user persona, you can also put in some pre-made templates. I will search for user persona. Okay, let's check if this is a good one. Okay, this is, I think, good. We can take few parts of it. It is not mandatory that you should take all. Whichever feel like okay, you can take this one. I will take this one. Urban professional. Growing investor. Okay, I think it has a name here. Let's take the name. Okay, let's take a generic name as Rakesh Kumar. Just a generic name. Then what is the type? Let's keep this urban professional. Okay. Hmm. Sounds good. Okay. Okay. No, not okay. Yeah. No. Okay. Now coming back to the age, occupation, and all those things. Age. I think we have age, or it is not there. See, this is not the final persona. This is just a user persona of what who we interviewed. Then after empathize stage, after all those information, we will create a detailed persona. This is not the final persona, right? So the age group is 24 to 30. Let's come here, put it as 24 to 30. Then profile, first few years of working, zero the. So this we can tell us profile. We can put it for now. Behavior. Okay, this profile should not go like this. Let's put it like this here. Okay, then let's take this one and paste it like here. Yeah. Now, now what I want is this traits. Okay, interest and based on all those things. This personality, I don't want it right now. So I'll just delete it. Then I will also delete this. Let's delete this as well. Yeah. Interest. No, this is behavior. What is the behavior? Now come to here, put it as behavior. What is the spelling? Okay. Now coming to these points, one point at a time, or we can put as all the points. This will take a lot of time. I don't want to spend that much time on this thing. Let's just cut this, put a text here, and paste this. Okay, make it medium and also bullet list. Yeah, our thing is now done. Okay, so this becomes the behavioral thing. Okay, let's make it large. Yeah, this looks good. So okay, this is very big. I will put it as large or maybe medium. Or what do you think? Large should we put? Let's put large. Okay, this is perfect. Now coming to this part, after behavior, what we have here is pain points. Come to pain points. come to this page, then difficulties. Put it like this, copy, paste it. Now, okay, now we have goal. So I'm not doing anything, only just copying what we think or what I feel is important for the documentation. So I'll just paste all those things. Once I do that, I will start posting the questions. Yeah, so the questions I will keep it here. Can I take a line just like this? Okay, this line doesn't have a okay. Line doesn't have a pen in point. So this is what it is. Now coming to aha. Okay, so coming to the questions. Now let's move on to the question. As persona, growing investor, 26-year-old. I will apply all those questions, interview implementation. Take care. So this is the first question. The first question is interview, user interview. Yeah. Then what we will do is we will paste the questions. So this is going to be extra large. Let's keep it as extra large, or I am not doing it well. The hierarchy, I think I'm missing the font sizes, but just to save the interest of time, I will just put it or copy it as it is. We will look into that later. Okay, so this is one question. Can you walk me through this? Okay, or group it. Then we have like this. Again, group it. Tuck, tuck. Ah, okay. The auto layout doesn't work here. All right. तीन तीन छः okay इतना नहीं चाहिए. I would rather go for these three. I think 5 is now enough. Now coming to the second question, we will copy paste it like this. Okay, in few cases this is happening. I think along the way we will find a solution how to not come across these issues. So for the people who will be watching this video after this live, please do subscribe, or if you have any queries, any questions, or anything you want separately I should make a video, please let me know in the comment section. I am going to make such videos more often, and now I'm fully committed to teach UX design. I was doing it earlier in Hindi, but I dropped it. If I get a good demand, then I will also do it in Hindi as well. Okay, so coming back to the fourth one. Okay, I have still, this is going to take some time. So here, what I am doing only is, I am only copy pasting things, but not only copy pasting the random things. I am copy pasting the things that I feel is required for documentation, right? Any point of time, if somebody asks, okay, give me a presentation, what the first user said. So I should have the documentation open or documentation ready. I can just go directly and show them, okay, this is what the user said for this question. So there won't be any surprises or any kind of uh, uh, queries, or it helps you to make people or other stakeholders understand why you did what you did. Yeah. So okay, can we do one thing? Can we, instead of doing it like this, can we put all the questions in one row? What do you think? Okay. 5 1 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, all right. Now coming to the sixth part. Sure. Okay, six. This type of jobs should be automated, right? Humans should not do or waste time on these copy pasting jobs. If you know, if there are any tools or any agents can help me copy paste it like this, that would be great. Why? Okay. Mm, okay. So coming to the ninth question, this is going to take a lot of time. I thought it will not take much time, but one persona, 110 questions, it's a lot of time. So I don't know how much time all the ones will take. And I'll have to keep talking because it is awkward if I don't talk in a live session. Okay, so yeah, so the first persona is ready. So once we complete, see, this is going to be our base for all the main things for this persona. Okay, whenever we will find something regarding this persona, we will expand it from this page. Then if we find some other notes as well, we will put it in this here. Now coming back to the second persona, this I will, let's say, I will keep it as uh, persona 1. Now let's duplicate it. Let's put it as persona 2. Keep it different color, let's say purple. See, here we don't have to write everything from scratch. Here we just have to write the name or yeah, things like this. Mid persona. Who should he name here? Is it a girl? Okay, NPS not written. Okay, the name is not there, so I will just write it as my name. Simant, not Simant. Should not do that. Let's keep it girl's name, or let's put this one as girl's name, and this one as who should we name? Aishwarya Rai, or Karina. This is a bit too unrealistic. Uh, okay, Priyanka Kumari. Let's put Kumari. No, I don't know any Priyanka Kumari. Priyanka Chopra and Kumari come from Kumar. So uh, put it like this: Rakesh Kumar. Then the age group is 32. Then occupation: senior product manager at a tech firm. Oh, for the first one, why didn't we put occupation? Age. Hey, this occupation is important, huh? Why we forgot the occupation? Is it a O1? This is a O1. Okay, this person is working professional in Bangalore. 20 years old, investing this, replying household. The first persona is urban, growing investor, behavioral pain points. Let's put it as a occupation. Occupation, software engineer at a MNC, at an MNC, I think. Now coming back to our second one, user persona, then about profile. No, no, not this one. Yeah, profile is this mid senior level. We will beautify this later. Okay, I never thought I would use this word. Okay, pain points. Difficult to track returns. Okay. Tracking offline assets is the pain point, then wants to set us forget it kind of behavior. Okay, so now coming back to the questions. Here, what are the things it provided is the let's do this one. Investments, mutual funds directly via job. Okay, let's do copy this. Can you walk me through this? Okay. No. Let's do it like here. Hey, FigJam doesn't provide auto layout, is it? Should provide, I don't know. How do you track this? Okay, this is a bit lengthier. Then we have what are the biggest challenges or frustrations in tracking your investment? What are the biggest? Correct. Okay, so everything is going smooth so far. Have you tried unified platforms like this? That I'm happy using this reasoning models. I think they are very good for doing or simulating these interviews. I got very good answers. Earlier, I used to use the 4O model, but this time, first time, I experimented with the O3 or O1 models. I think O3 was the best so far. This is the 7 number 6 and this should be the 7. Oh, we forgot it once. Is it? We forgot one thing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is not there. God. Okay, we will come back to that. Mm, mhm. What kind of analytics would you help? Okay, what kind of analytics is one? Oh, sorry, pending. Okay, now coming back to this one. Would you prefer an automated file? We'll just quickly do it. See, this is a live session, so I cannot fast forward it. So if you want to skip this one, you can. If you're watching this after a while, you can skip this one because I don't think I can edit this one to make it fast forward. If that is possible in YouTube Studio, I will do that. Hey, I think 6, 7, 8. What would you make to switch? Ah, okay, I have to revisit this. Okay, let me just copy it first from the last, how important it is. See, if you don't copy the right question answers, then it will again be a problem. Okay, what would you make the switch? 9, 10 is fine. 8, I think, is not good. Automated, absolutely. This one was the wrong one. What kind of insights? Then this one. Perfect. So now let's go back to this one. I forgot to add the 7 point here. What would you prefer? What kind of insight analytics would you prefer? Coming back here, simple stuffs. Okay, so second is also, hey, what happened? Okay, second is also done. Now let's go to the third one. Yeah, let's go to the third persona. Let's keep the color as this. No, this is too similar. Let's give it something like green. This is fine. Okay, this is the third one. Let's come here. Simulate the third one. What is the name? Profile, senior product manager. Okay, now this is the second one. This is the third one, which is the software engineer, very active investor. 29 is the age. Let's keep it some Malhotra or Adani kind of name. Lakshya Singh. Lakshya, the super trader Lakshya is one trainer that taught me how to trade. So he also has a YouTube channel. So if you want, you can check on YouTube. Just type Super Trader Lakshya. Yeah, that's it. 29. Let's copy direct mutual funds and all those things. Okay, now coming back to the behavioral aspects. Mm-hmm. Okay, Love trying new apps and tools. Don't worry, we will come to these behavioral pain points a little more detail when we jump to the define stage. That I think will be done in the next session. This session is all about documenting this in FigJam. Okay, action plan for interviews. Those. This is the third. No, this is the second. This is the third one. Okay, now coming back to the third one. Third one. Second question. Third question. Let's just first copy it as it is, then we will sort make it organized. Whew. 4-5 days in a row I have 0 viewers and also very less subscribers or views. So again, if you are watching this video later, please do consider subscribing. And if you want something more that I haven't covered in this session or in my videos, current videos, do let me know what you want to learn or what you want information in. I can make videos related to that. 5. Oh, this is 6. Why this happens? 3 is this. 4 is fragmented ideas. 4 is fragmented ideas. See, all these things, no, if you don't give the right attention, then you may copy paste the wrong things in wrong place, and that will not be a nice thing. Okay, coming to the how often. And these documentation will also help you when you create your case study out of your project. You can show it to your respective interviewers and put it in the case study. You can do a lot of good things. Oh, why this itching is today? Nine. Okay. Haha. Today I think something happened here. Okay, finish user synthesis first. Why CRED? Step, then do business requirement. Okay, this is not required, but template category is also not required. This category we may need, right? All those key codes, success metrics, all those things. This is a good persona template categories we can copy. Okay, so this is about this category. Okay, so overview we already have. Let's just copy it here as overview. Okay, let's not do it. Demographics, family status, this is not required. Tech financial comfort with app, digital tools, investment profile. Let's put all this as a placeholder for now. Or can we try some other way? Can we do something like these sticky notes? Yeah, with this one as okay. Let's remove it. We cannot put no. How it is putting here? No, let's do it like the way it is. Okay, so overview. Now we have tech and financial proficiency. This can be 1 point. I'll just put placeholders for our future reference. Investment profile. Okay, let's delete all this. Then coming to behaviors and context. That in that much detail is not required, but I'm just putting it for our reference. Okay, so goals and objectives, we will also delete few things. Yeah, that much of information is not required. Needs and requirements. Okay, next is the motivation drivers. Did we complete it? Motivation drivers? No. Investment profiles, key codes. Then coming to success metrics. Then we have opportunity areas, design implications. The idea is how well can you okay, so idea here is how well can you understand the user. That is the only agenda. How well in your context, how well can you understand the main user and the pain points. It's like whenever the user asks or anybody asks why we are doing this, your answer should be like this is the behavior, this is the opportunity areas, this. So when you go through all this information, right, you will automatically know what kind of things you have. Okay, this has already a detailed persona created. Uh, let's go to the jump to the next persona. Let's create it. Let's create it well. Yeah, I think the question part we are done. Let's create the persona here. Let's keep everything aside. Yeah, then we can do one thing. We can bring in this person here. Let's first persona 1, growing investor. Aisa Patel is the name. Role is this that. Aisa Patel, urban professional, 26-year-old software engineer, demographics 26, and all these things you can put. Should we remove it from here? Yeah, just copy paste the entire thing. Ah. Okay, so the first one is ready. Now coming to the Tech and financial proficiency. Tech and financial proficiency is next is investment profile. Let's bring out the card investment profile. Instead of that, we wasted our time there. Instead of doing that, I can just do it like this. Okay, coming back to this one. So whenever you create all those things, all these documentations in Figma, so the first for finding the perfect layout will come when you work on this one later and later. It will get modified, right? Just like how the height, the weight, all those things will come when you complete majority of the things. Then you will have fair idea. Then once the base structure is done, then copy pasting or duplicating the same information to others is going to be easier. So this is goals and objectives. Pain points and frustrations. Needs and requirements. Okay, man. Okay, so this much is done so far. I think one more. Okay, now coming to this part, motivation and drivers. I think creating only the user persona will take all the time. So if this takes a lot of time, then I will create it in the background and I will just show it to you in the next call. I will take the 1 hour call here. So I will try to complete it as much as possible in this one. Otherwise, we can just, I will do it in offline. We can later put it in the description kind of thing. Okay, coming back to needs and improvements, success metrics. Opportunity areas, use case scenarios. Okay, coming back here. Okay, so our first uh, case is done. First user persona is done. So I will duplicate. So this is how our user persona will look like. So I've created the first one for, okay. Hmm. So this is the first user persona done. I will duplicate the whole thing for the other part. So just to save some time, I will do it offline after the call, not live. I will show you to you like once it is done. So I will leave it now. I will complete it later. Let's jump to the next one. Coming back to what should we do next? Synthesize across what they feel. No, we didn't do that. Let's do the comparison table. This is for the entire comparison. This is a one category. Let me copy paste it. Let's check if we can directly copy paste it in FigJam. Put a table. No, not possible. We are going to do it manually. So the first one is persona 1, young aspiration. I will put it like this. Then the second, then put it like this. Then the third, I will put it like this. Okay. Okay. This is not a good user experience, I would say. How? Okay. Should I copy like this? What else is there? Category also, I forgot. Okay, so I will do one thing. I will copy paste this later. I will just create placeholders for now. So I just want to show you that these are the things that are important to for us to document. Why this one? We already have this one. Why this one? See, sometimes we have to show to head of design some higher level management, and to them we cannot take a lot of their time to go through the entire interview meetings and all those things. That is not going to help them. So for them, something as easy to scan, something as easy to just compare all those things by different categories, different traits, that would be helpful for those people. So you have to understand, and while documenting, like who are going to read your documents. So by that, you have to create the document styles. Can we make something? What is it? Okay. Okay. I never used this one earlier, but I got it. Can we make it bold? Ah, nice. Okay, so I'll leave it for now. This is the table. I want to keep this table also like this. What is the name? Comparison table. User persona comparison table. Okay, so we have the comparison table here. All right, then let's give it a new color. Let's keep it yellow. Okay, now coming back to the second point, which is also with this insights from the table, we also have to copy, make it as scannable as possible so that your uh, users or your readers are not going to go through all those uh, phases of exploring what is there, what need I need to scan. Make it scannable. Make it extra large. Yeah, this looks good. Copy it and put it here, or maybe here. Any other thing in the table? No. Now let's jump to the next one, combined empathy map. Okay, no, this is not required, not relevant for me. Business goal checklist. Okay, this is the checklist. Define creates a broader company. Do you think launch? Okay, I answered some answers. Expand into wealth company goals for 5. Company goals, though, we will refer back when making decisions later. Now, company goals. Now, this is the user thing, correct? Empathize phase. User requirements. This is the user requirement. Ginnogamas kuch hai. Let's keep it as 500. Let's write it as user requirements. Then we will do a business requirement. Now we will duplicate this as a business requirement thing. Or should we put it here? Yeah, we should put it here. All the user requirements will go here. Then this comes the business requirements. Business requirements. In the business requirements, first we have the company goals for CRED. Give the title. Oh, okay. Put it like this. Company goals for CRED 2025. Then copy the entire thing, paste it as plain text as large or maybe medium. Okay, this is large, so we have to keep it large. Okay, now coming here. Can we do some alignments? No, no. Okay, let's just uh, structure it like this. Okay, coming to company goals. But it has huge, not that huge. Extra large is fine. Okay, so company goals. Company goals too small. Okay, now coming to the next step, define specific business objectives. Okay, specific business for investment tracker. This leverage. Next step, target KPIs. Define target KPIs. Okay, target KPI is done. Define first steps. Revenue strategies. You have completed this. Now already complete everything checklist. Okay, now we have to do same thing. Let's put it under one big here. No, let's put it like this. Company goals. We will structure. I mean, we will edit it later. We will find some other way to showcase this. Let's make it green, and this can be specific business objectives. This is called business objectives. Okay. Okay, now let's copy the entire thing again, just like we did there. We will repeat the same process here. Okay, everything is in board. Tuck, tuck, tuck. Okay, so this is done. Business requirements, company goals, business objectives. Then is define target KPIs. Okay, this should be a table. Now coming to one target KPIs. Target KPIs. Okay, delete this. Put a table here. Metric and target. Metric, target, bold, bold. This should be large. This should be large. And metric and target. Okay, this should be like this. Large, no, medium. Yeah, let's put it as medium. Target, Large? No. Medium? I think we should keep large. Okay. Now coming to the second point, which is this, then third point, then fourth, and then fifth. Coming to this one, 30% of the engagements, 10% connected users, 5% of the TBD, needs for modeling later. Okay. TBD means to be discussed. Okay, now define revenue strategies. What is the revenue strategy? Did we complete? Okay, revenue strategy also we need to copy. That is also one important key. Let's duplicate. Okay, let's first change the color, then revenue. What is it? Revenue strategy. Revenue strategy. Revenue strategy. Revenue source details. Revenue source details. Mutual fund commissions. Okay, AMCs and commissions from AMCs. Then coming to lending margins. This is fair. Then coming to digital gold commissions. To be discussed. This is also to be. I will design anyway. Am I doing it real? This is not real. Okay, this is just an ideation. I'm not working in CRED, or I don't think. I would love to, but they hire from elite colleges, so bad luck. Elite colleges like NIDs, IITs, some bachelor's degree, master's degree in design, those people they will hire. Okay. Okay, so our revenue strategy is also done. Let's change the color to something different. Okay, so business requirement is also almost completed. Now we have officially read to next major deliverable. What about the competitive analysis? We didn't do the competitive analysis, feature by feature comparison, and that is also one big thing. We did user requirement, business requirement. Now we will go for the competitive analysis. So we took screenshot of all this, and next step, competitive landscape, feature by feature comparison. Okay, we will follow the same process here. We will do competitive analysis like this one. We will duplicate it. Competitive analysis. Competitive Okay, competitive analysis, feature by feature comparison. Let's come to this part. Feature by feature comparison. Coming to this, and we have to follow the same process here. Let's bring it here. Feature, IND money, ticker tab, small case, great. Feature, okay, let's do the first one, then we will delete others. Okay, IND money, ticker tab, small case, IND money, ticker tab, then we have small case, then we have CRED. So I will just quickly copy a few things, and we have to revise these analysis as well. We cannot just directly depend on ChatGPT. I will recreate this one with my own again manual analysis, and we will also look into that aspect. Okay, so this is done. Thank God. Yeah. So this is done. Feature by feature comparison, then UX observations, similar to what we saw. Feature by feature comparison, then we will do a what is it? UX observations. UX observations. You would have noticed that a lot of people will do I mean with competitor analysis some comparison table of one type, what this that is just a one big table with all those things mixed, and they will have a like this map here where they will find okay who are the top one, who are uh, getting a good fit, all those things. But in our case we are doing it a bit detailed. We are comparing it in terms of UI UX observations, feature by feature comparisons. Then what are the opportunity areas for CRED? Competitive analysis, should we do something like this? In one go, we should put this one as, let's say, feature by feature analysis. And this has to be large, maybe extra large. Feature by feature analysis. Then this will be UX slash UI observations is one thing. Then we have opportunity areas for CRED. Then we have the opportunity areas for CRED. Then let's copy paste this one first. We will copy paste whatever is easy. Then we will look into the other aspects. Okay. Now coming to the large. I'll just copy paste it right now like this. I will come to this one later. Now quick summary to copy. Okay, Also copy paste this, and this one should go to the top. Or should we put the observations in one tab and this one as the other tab? Okay, not this one. And then this becomes the summary. And then this title will go like this. Yeah. Let's keep it as like this. Then we will revisit this later. Yeah. Okay. Green is there. Opportunity mapping for CRED. Again, another thing came. Opportunity areas. Okay, this is one main thing. Then opportunity mapping. Let's copy paste it here like this. Then like this. Then copy paste this one like this. Area, problem in competitors. So we have area, then we have problem in competitors, then we have opportunity for CRED. Again, we will look into this one manually. We cannot just rely on ChatGPT's thing. Then this is a summary. This also we should copy. This can come like this. Yeah. What's next? Internal stakeholder. So I think it is past 1 hour. So I will stop the session right here. So what I will do next here is I will do the same process, documented it in FigJam, just like I did for the other business requirements and also for user requirements. I will do the same for the stakeholder, internal stakeholder thing. And with this, we will be completing the entire Empathize stage. From the next session, I will start on the define stage. There we will discuss about whatever we have collected so far. We will, define what are the things we are going to solve. So this is it for this video. I hope you liked it. I hope I have showed how we create files in FigJam or showed structure files in FigJam. So if you have any kind of queries or any doubts, just put it in the comment section. And if you haven't subscribed this channel yet, do consider subscribe, because I'm going to create videos like this, tutorials like this more often, and in different concepts. Everything will be live and everything will be in different scenario and on demand. So do consider subscribing it. So this is it for this video. See you in the next video. Thank you. Tata.